Thank you, ladies. Thank you, ladies. Alam mo what that's like, if you join me in occasions like this, that's our part, okay? That's our part. It's showing and having fun with the bride. So please, the next time that you enjoy occasions like this, you know what to do, okay? Let's call in the Macho Single Man. Is it raining men? Yes, guys.